Imagine walking into a room and, without saying a single word, understanding who is on your side and who isn't. It sounds impossible, right? However, this is a skill used by the world's top negotiators and spies. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 deep secrets of body language that can unlock the doors to anyone's mind. By the end of the article, I'll also give you a bonus tip on how to use your body language to present yourself as a confident and powerful person to the world. This could be a life-changing read, so stay tuned until the end. The power of eye contact. What eye contact reveals. Eyes never lie, is a saying you've probably heard before, but what does it really mean? Consistent eye contact typically signifies confidence and a genuine interest in the conversation. On the other hand, if someone is constantly looking around, it may indicate nervousness, guilt, or disinterest. Blink rate. The rate at which a person blinks can be quite telling. Rapid blinking often signals anxiety. I once finalized a deal where the person across from me seemed confident. However, upon closer inspection, I noticed they were blinking rapidly. This subtle observation led me to question the deal further, ultimately revealing that it was not in my favor. Pupil dilation. Pupil dilation can be an unconscious reaction to excitement or attraction. These small cues can provide significant insights into a person's feelings and intentions. Decoding posture. Open vs. closed posture. A person's posture can say a lot about their confidence or insecurity. An open posture, where the shoulders are relaxed, the chest is outward, and the feet are firmly planted on the ground, indicates confidence and honesty. In contrast, a closed posture, characterized by crossed arms and a hunched back, often reflects defensiveness or insecurity. Mirroring posture. Mirroring is another fascinating aspect of body language. When someone mirrors your body movements, it means they like you or agree with you. For instance, in a job interview, if the interviewer leans forward and adopts a relaxed posture, they are likely interested in what you are saying. However, if they lean back with crossed arms, they may be bored or skeptical, prompting you to adjust your answers accordingly. The significance of micro-expressions. Understanding micro-expressions. Micro-expressions are small, fleeting facial expressions that last for less than a second but reveal a person's true emotions. For example, a raised eyebrow indicates surprise or shock, tight lips signify anger or frustration, and a half smile could mean sarcasm or fake agreement. Importance in negotiations. In a negotiation meeting, I once observed a person continually smiling, but for a fleeting moment, their lips were tightly pressed. This brief micro-expression indicated hidden frustration. By addressing this subtle cue, I was able to steer the meeting to a successful conclusion. Missing this moment could have led to a failed deal. The language of hands. Open vs. hidden hands. Hand gestures can convey a lot about a person's intentions, regardless of their words. Open palms signal honesty and openness, while hidden hands often indicate nervousness or concealment. Interlaced fingers and pyramid shapes. Interlacing fingers or forming a pyramid shape with the fingers is a sign of extreme confidence and control. These gestures project authority and self-assuredness. Practical application. Next time you meet someone, observe their hand positioning. If they are hiding their hands, it could mean they are uncomfortable or hiding something. Feet reveal the truth. Feet positioning. Feet are often the most ignored part of body language, yet they can be the most revealing. Feet pointed towards you signify interest and engagement, while feet pointed away indicate disinterest. Fidgeting feet. Fidgeting feet can be a sign of nervousness or impatience. For example, I was once at a party where someone kept moving their feet towards the door. I cautiously asked if they wanted to leave, and they confirmed that they were feeling uncomfortable. This small cue helped me understand their mood. Enhancing your body language. Improving posture and eye contact. To use your body language to project confidence and power, start by improving your posture and eye contact. Maintain relaxed shoulders, an outward chest, and look directly into the eyes of the person you are speaking to. These small changes can make you appear more confident and assertive. Understanding body language cues. Understanding and utilizing body language can make you more effective in various situations, whether it's a job interview, negotiation, or social gathering. Consistent practice. Like any skill, mastering body language requires consistent practice. Pay attention to your own body language and that of others to become more adept at this form of non-verbal communication. Body language is a powerful tool that can significantly impact how you interact with others. By understanding the nuances of eye contact, posture, micro-expressions, hand gestures, and feet positioning, you can gain deeper insights into the intentions and feelings of those around you. Moreover, by improving your own body language, you can present yourself as a more confident and powerful individual. Which body language cue did you find the most interesting? Let me know in the comments. If you learned something from this article, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content to help make your life more successful.